Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to explore a new tool which can convert your videos into cartoon animations in a matter of minutes. So the tool name is GoEnhance. First of all, go to the website goenhance.ai and here you can convert your videos to AI animated shorts in minutes. So if you check the pricing, in this package, you will get 45 tokens with 10 normal upscale images, 5 large upscale images, 3 videos with watermark, and a storage for 7 days. If you want to enhance your package, then you can just purchase these plans. Basic plans is for $8 per month, standard plan is for $20 per month, and pro plan is for $40 per month. So right now, we are going to use our free package. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into this platform. Click on Login. You can log into this with your Gmail account. Once you have logged in, you will see different applications in this tool, such as video to video, creative style transfer, image face swap, meme generator, frame to frame video, text to image, video face swap, character animation, and image enhancer and upscaler. So right now we are going to use the first feature, that is video to video. It will turn your video into a different animation style video. So let's click on it. If you are using this tool for the first time, you need to select your job here. If you are content creator, then you can select this option. Otherwise, you can just go with the other options. Click submit. Here you need to drag and drop your click. So I'm going to upload my click here. It will just transcode your click and it can take few seconds. Once your click is uploaded, you can just select a style from here. Whether you want a cute animation style, a pixel style, origami style, PS game, Pixar style, cute animation, Japanese animation, or any other styles. So let's select the Pixar style from here. Now you need to select the video duration. In free plan, you can get 3 seconds or 5 seconds video. And if you want a longer video, then you will have to purchase a VIP plan. Select the seat from here and then you can just select whether it will be a fast mode or not. Create generate. You need to wait for a while so that it can convert your video into your selected style. If you want to convert your video quicker, then you can just purchase a premium plan or a pro plan. You will have to wait for around 6 minutes to convert this video. You can see the estimated time just above the generate button. And here you are. Let's click on the created video here. As you can see how professionally it has converted your video into an animation. But the duration is only 2 seconds. So if you want a longer video, you can just purchase a premium plan. So this is your original video and you can just compare it with this one. You can easily convert your videos into the cartoon animations using this tool. That's amazing. I hope you like this tutorial. Keep exploring such amazing tools with us. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again and I will see you in the next video.